Hi, I'm V. Welcome back to the Ratcheting Raven. Today I'm going to be changing the rear differential fluid in the R33 GTR. I'm going to be using this royal purple 75W90. Okay, so to change the rear differential fluid in the R33 GTR, this is the differential. Looking from the back, the drain plug is right here. And the fill plug is up here where that socket is. It's a 10 mil Allen wrench head, but I will get closer so you can see the actual plug right there. It's really hard to see. Okay, there's the fill plug. Okay, I broke it loose with a really long breaker bar because it was stuck on there. And before that, I sprayed it with some PB Blaster. I think I'm gonna have to hit it with the breaker bar again. Now let me try my ratchet again. There we go. Much better. Okay, here's the bolt, the drain bolt. It does have some metal shavings on it. So I don't know when the last time it was changed, which is why I am changing it. I'm going through all the basic maintenance-y things. All right, that's all cleaned up. Now I will clean up the differential where all the fluid's drained out, and I'll put the plug back in. Okay, that's as tight as I can get it with my socket wrench. Now to fill it up. Here's the old fluid, it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to be using this royal purple 75W90. I have a battery powered pump and I have poured some oil into this container. It was clean. I will not be using it for anything else. So my pump goes in, I turn it on, and it pushes it into the differential. So it should take about 1.7 liters. I've got roughly 2 liters here. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep putting fluid in until it comes out the fill port, like starts draining out. That's how I will know that it's full. Okay, so last night my battery operated pump died on me after not even a minute, which sucked. So I had to wait till today to go get a different kind of pump. So I'm gonna finish filling up the rear diff with this pump. I'm still using this little jar because I already had the oil in there. That's how I know it's full. It's starting to run out. Let it self-level. I've got a pig blanket underneath it. Did overfill it just a little bit much because I thought it was going to take what I had left, and that was not the case. So I'll let that kind of drip as much as it's gonna drip for the next little bit. Okay, so it's finally self-leveled out. I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it up, and I'm gonna put the fill plug back in. Okay, I've got it hand tight. I'm gonna put the 10 mil on the socket and tighten it up some more. All right, that's good. It's not going anywhere. Wipe it down one more time. The fill plug is back in place right there. You can kind of see it when my hand isn't in the way, right there. There's no oil coming out of the drain plug. I put that in last night. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, later.